Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install a Pinterest tag to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com. If you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Where in the upper right corner, you'll be greeted by the option to log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account. After successfully doing so, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. Where in the left side screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started installing Pinterest tags to our Shopify store. This is what we have to do, guys. Go ahead and click the apps option right here in the left side screen. Clicking apps is going to open up this option where we can click all recommended apps, and in this new menu that we're going to open up, you can open up the Shopify App Store. By clicking the Shopify App Store, this is now going to open up this new Shopify App Store where we can find all the apps you can use for our store, and at the top of the screen you're going to have a search bar. So we want to click on the search bar right here, guys, and we want to search for Pinterest. Go ahead and type in Pinterest. So after searching for Pinterest, guys, this is now going to give us results of all the Pinterest related applications that we have, and as you can see, there is an official Pinterest application for Shopify. Basically, guys, you can see currently this is not compatible with my store and my country, so I cannot use it. But if it is compatible with your store, what you can do, guys, is click the install button that's going to appear. So let me show you how it works. Well, after you have opened up the Pinterest app, you can go ahead and get started with clicking the install button. So the install button is going to look like this. You want to click install. That's going to proceed to the next page to authorize your installation. So you want to go ahead and confirm you want to install it by clicking the install button, and after successfully clicking the install button and installing it to your Shopify store, it's going to appear right here under your app section, and you'll be able to access it and do everything you need and connect your Pinterest tags and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.